Okay, here is the clock, similar to yours. I would suggest you place it on a pillow to keep it safe, or on some soft surface. Then you should remove the hands one by one, just like this. Then you should take from the both sides, left and right, and push it up. The second one up. Here is the screw. This is the screw. And it should be really tight. I will unscrew it just to show you all the necessary parts that should be there. There is small golden circle that should be here, and another important detail is this. It may be on the other side of the clock, rubber ring that should be placed on the top of the clock mechanism. It should be here. Then you put the clock back like this. You place this golden ring and the screw, and you should make sure it is screwed really tight. I always do it with my hands, no additional mechanisms, any tools to make sure that the glass is safe. You may also use some cloth or something to screw it tighter. Okay. It should be really tight, and it's not moving. If I hold the mechanism, the clock is not moving. It may be moving like left, right, but not upside down. This is pretty tight. And once it is tightened, it should work pretty well. Then you put back the hands one by one, the clock hand, with your fingers to the both sides, to the left and to the right of the hand. You press it, then you make sure it's not moving too much. Just like this is okay. Then the minutes hand to the left and to the right of the hand. You press it down and you make sure it's not moving too much. And then the second hands, you can press it just on this knob like this. And the last thing you have to make sure is that the hands are not touching each other. The hands here should not be touching each other. If they touch each other, they will make the clock go slower. Like this. You see they're parallel, or not really parallel, but they are not touching each other. You can make the little bit straight the curve like this. And the hands, you see, are not intersecting. This way, if the battery is okay, the mechanism should function well. If it doesn't, the problem is with the mechanism, which is a really rare case, and you should contact me then through Etsy and I will replace the mechanism for you.